Hello, it's simple. A running video. Hopefully, no. I am not using this. I'm gonna shut the hell up. This is a video. I'm installing this Penguin internal hardware bay, a household bay. But it'll probably be a household. This will probably not be a household to me, but easier to talk about than taking the piece apart. Here's my information. This is my test PC I use for various things. One of them is the amount of videos I do every month. And basically, with the start of TechSavvvvy Season 2, I'm using this for my third-person time lapses. Now the issue is, the Minecraft third-person time lapse that I can tell it makes sense to. You need to run on a second computer. Now Minecraft is not a free game. You need to sign in or deploy it. And it's just I need to buy a second account for this computer anyhow. So I use Mirror for my memory videos, but also Minecraft stuff. But I don't like to do a sign in an account on a drive I'm using for malware videos. Because malware can be dangerous, not physically, but IT-wise. So I use two separate drives and two separate installs of Windows between my Minecraft third-person videos and my Minecraft third-person videos. So currently I have two SSDs in here. One unplugged, my 8 GB drive, to my memory, that's the one. And the second 8 GB drive is currently plugged in now. Have my Minecraft drive, my clean drive I call it. So as I open it over time, and if I have to kill run, I'm going to make where I can just easily come up the drive. Yeah. And then these two drives here. And yeah, they are slightly different. This is a 120 gig drive. This is a 240 gig drive. This is the I had in my main build years ago. I don't know anymore. Anyhow, so that's what this is for. I'm between those two drives. So let's get the. I already opened the box to see what it was, or to make sure it was what I thought it was. I was looking for it to make sure it had the internal save words in the back, which it does. I'll leave the silicon gel. Make sure you eat this, guys. It's very good for you. Don't actually do that. It's a joke. I have a little button you can turn it on and off too. That's cool. Huh. Again, the hotspot drive. So, yeah. It's going to be the C drive to go, and they can put a 2.5 and a 3.5 drive in here. So let's turn it around here. I do have the one around this minute side of the way. I'm thinking that I'll run that bitch. I had to get one of these bay covers off first so I can put it in here. See that? There's tabs inside here. Just press an N and press forward. And it's stuck. We won't have to get stuck in there. Other side, there are, so. Anyway, both sides gotta come off. Damn. You have that. Both sides, yeah, that's one. Tight. And then leave the screws loose. Yeah. Start to undo both sides of it. It's still stuck on. Yeah. This is why I do want to be easy, because of course I'm gonna go wrong every fucking time. It's stuck. Damn. I'm just gonna put pressure on it. How about this? I'm gonna probably figure out when I break it or make the plastic. My plastic breaks from there. Oh no, god damn it. You know, I was thinking, oh, it's easy. No, that's not really fucking easy. God damn it. Can't get that third tab off there. You know what? You know what? I gotta pull it out first. It's kinda dumb, but it makes sense unless I'm moving. You pull that out first, maybe that's the problem. I'm the one screwing it. Check. That's in. Pull that out. No, that's not probably cover off. Yep. I did not know that. Alright, so now it's right here. This guy out here. And these in. Alright. So I did not know that you had to pull these right over. Annoying, but alright. Put these in here. And like that. I'll put it right. And feed it back in. Locking already. No, what the fuck? Where's it going? Cause that's not good. Anyway, you can see it. Truck was the hit. hitting that. Oh, it's just rocket from hitting it. It just. There we go. There we go. Alright. That's not in there. Put our one screw. Take our drive there, slide it in. It's a lot easier, but also be a bit short. I'm hitting that rail, so we gotta screw that on for sure. I think it came with screws, they're inside it, wasn't inside the slot, and it's on a flip it over. So nobody do it, just screw that one in. I actually made it for one thing, but then I got 5 screws. I got 2 that are some are different. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't know. Okay. I do all 4 screws then, since it's not making contact with the back part, just how I do it most of the body. We'll get them through first, then I'll turn around and tighten them. That's nice. The kid was falling off there. I wouldn't turn on. Oh, you fucking light. Really? Damn it. Special charging that. I'll try to do it using it. That's better here. On both. Motherfucker. Alright, I'll be back. Fucking lights. Take 2. Good news, the camera can't die because it's already dead. But I'm putting the whole time, I'm not trying to charge it. So that's what I thought it was dead. So, yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, cool. So, move over here. It's a little lopsided on this end. What? This bit over. Correct that. Alright. Now all 4 screws in it. Well, I guess I can't get one between that fucking bracket. But it will work that way. Then you can get a screw in there. That was a dumb design. Whatever. Whatever you got on it, you can't get a screw in there. That's Corsair's fault, not the bracket thing. The dress up thing. Because you got metal here and right here, screws there, it's not gonna work. Whatever. So, 3 it is, I guess. Alright. There goes soda. Power cable. Yeah, the other one. Put its data cable back in. Down to the, I just can't see if I can go see if and talk through data and power. Well, power and data. Yes. And that should be it. Make sure y'all load up. So, go ahead over to here. Take a drive. Slide it in. Very. I guess it's just Celeron. I can't remember. Slide that in. And let's get this shit wired up. Alright. Let's roll it up. Put this in. So the keyword. Power strip. On. Turn you on. Turn you off. This is going to be. This is the metal drive I use. So I have my metal right here, this quarter here, little box, little machines. Now I see you could easily do something like this with a machine, but being I would use a game on here, it's better to run on the actual hardware. That's why we're doing this too. Like that. So that is the metal drive. I shut it down. I say I want to play or to do any time lapse in Minecraft. Change the other drive. Just shut it off. Pull the drive out. Turn your drive. And boom. Now see, I told you to install it. Oh, here's the bay doesn't work. I mean, it should be a simple device, it's just passing it through. Passing that data through. Maybe it's like harder to do it too. Yeah, that really one. Stupid fucking window goes it. My plan next year, really fuck you. My plan next year is to upgrade the GPU, my main board, put the 1650 I have now in here, and give it more power. That motherboard, I don't think it's a good GPU. Yeah, it should. Typical fucking Windows. Oh my god, okay. I hate updates, I do. And my other install. Actually, they're both all the same image I made years ago. And just change it when I want it. So yeah, there we go. Easy as fuck around now. Easy to do my videos, so that's all I needed. Alright, I'll go and do this quick video. It was relatively easy once I figured out fully dish about first. I'll button up the case card off camera, that's simple stuff. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. That's me guys. Take it easy.